The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel is one of those moisturisers that's become really popular for delivering intense hydration in a lightweight, refreshing formula. But what actually makes this water gel work, and is it worth adding into your skincare routine? In this video, we're breaking down what this moisturiser does, how to use it properly, and the key do's and don'ts so you can get the best results from your routine. This lightweight water gel is designed to deeply hydrate the skin while helping strengthen the skin's moisture barrier. It delivers hydration without the heavy, greasy feeling of a traditional cream moisturiser, making it ideal for both day and night use. The formula is supercharged with skin-friendly ingredients including hyaluronic acid, amino acids, and electrolytes to help leave the skin looking refreshed, plump, and glowing. One of the most standout features is the 1% natural moisturising factor complex. Natural moisturising factors are ingredients naturally found in the skin that help maintain hydration and elasticity. The key ingredients in this water gel is hyaluronic acid, which helps attract and retain water in the skin for long-lasting hydration, amino acids, which help support and strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, electrolytes, which help improve the ingredient absorption, and finally natural moisturiser factor complex, which is going to mimic the skin's natural hydration system to help keep the skin plump and healthy looking. The texture is lightweight, it's cooling, and it's fast absorbing, which is why so many people enjoy using it under makeup and SPF. It's suitable for all skin types, including oily, combination, normal, and dehydration. However, if your skin is very dry, you may still prefer layering a richer moisturiser on top at night. Now, using this water gel is really simple. You want to start with your gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, and makeup from the day. You want to go in with that second cleanse and then apply a toner or essence if you're using one, that is optional. You want to go in with any water-based serums, and then you want to apply a small amount of the Hydro Boost water gel to your face and neck and décolletage area. Ensure that it is pressed into the skin, and then for extra hydration, apply it onto slightly damp skin. So what I find is if you've applied your water-based serums, before they completely dry, apply the water gel over the top. Otherwise, if you like using a mist, you can mist in between. In the morning, you want to finish with SPF protection. And because the formula is lightweight and non-greasy, it will layer really well with makeup over the top of it. Here are some do's and don'ts when using the moisturiser in your routine. You want to use it both morning and night for consistent hydration. You want to apply it to slightly damper skin to help lock in the moisture. You do want to layer it after serums, not before. And you do want to pair it with moisturiser if you've got a drier skin, you're looking for that extra heavier moisturiser over the top. Now, we want to make sure that you don't over apply. We do only need a small amount, which will spread really easily across the skin. And you also need to keep in mind, don't expect it to replace a thick night cream if that's what your skin is normally used to. It is very lightweight, and then if you find that your skin is that little bit drier, you want to apply a heavier cream over the top. And don't forget that the hydration and barrier repair work best with a consistent skincare routine. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel is one of those products that keeps hydration simple, lightweight, and easy to wear without making your skin feel heavy or oily. So if your skin feels dehydrated, dull, tight, or you just prefer gel moisturizers over thick creams, this could actually be really a solid option for you to add into your skincare routine. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this one and what your experience was like with it. And if you want to learn more about skincare, check out these videos here next.